Today on Veggies in Disguise, I'm going to be making easy roasted stuffed bell peppers. Now normally with bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers, you cut the top off and then clean the inside. With these, we're going to be cutting them lengthwise, like this. And then you want to clean the seeds out and then prepare them with oil and put them on a pan and roast them at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. So you could use red or green bell peppers. The red are a little sweeter. And once you've cut them and cleaned them and seeded them, you want to just put oil on them very generously on the back and the front, even using your fingers to really coat the oil all throughout the bell pepper, even the front and the back. And then arrange them face up on a pan with parchment paper and put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425. Over medium heat, you want to heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onions. Add a half a teaspoon of salt and just mix together for 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent. And it's time to take the peppers out. And the peppers will have some excess juices. You'll want to tip those over and just get rid of that extra juice. And we're continuing with the onions. And it's time to put the tomatoes in. And the tomatoes, like the onions, you'll cook these also for about 5 minutes. And 10 twists of fresh cracked pepper. So now it's time to stuff the bell peppers. Just spoon them in like so. I usually start off a little light with the filling and then top it off a little stronger near the end, just so you have filling for all the peppers. And then top it with 1 cup of cheese, either mozzarella or cheddar. And I'm actually today doing a combination of mozzarella and Gruyere. And put it in the oven at 425 for 12 to 13 minutes. And now we're finished. Don't those look beautiful? We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.